hepatic flexure. The hepatic flexure is the shape bend between the ascending colon. This is greater omentum. The greater omentum hangs down from the transverse colon of the large intestine. This is transverse colon. This is gallbladder. Vasa recta of intestine. Gastric body and antrum of the stomach. This is liver. Vasa recta of intestine. This is lesser omentum. The lesser omentum extends from the lesser curvature of the stomach and duodenal bulb of the liver. Jejunum. This is ileum. Jejunal mucosa. Pylorus, part of the stomach. Splenic flexure. Splenic flexure is the shape bend between transverse colon and descending colon of the upper abdomen. This is pylorus, part of the stomach, and this is splenic flexure. Appendiceal orifice. Cystic duct. Cystic duct is the short duct that joins the gallbladder to the common hepatic duct. Right hepatic artery. Mesentery area. Cecum. This is terminal ileum. This is duodenal bulb. Right hepatic artery. Interhepatic portal vein and its branches. Hepatic flexure. The hepatic flexure is the shape bend between the ascending colon and transverse colon. Distal descending colon. This is sigmoid colon. Portohepatic artery. Gastroduodenal artery. Pancreatic duct. Superior mesenteric artery. Appendiceal tip. This is rugal floors of the fundus of the stomach. Stomach of the fundus. Main portal vein. Splenic vein. Superior mesenteric vein. Common femoral arteries. Common femoral veins. Head of pancreas. Ligament of Treis. Common hepatic artery. CVD. Common bile duct. Ascending colon. Jejunum. Ileum. Vasa recta of intestine. Left gastric vein. Body of pancreas. Second and third part of the duodenum. Uncinate process. Ileocholic vein. iliac artery, protocaval lymph nodes, descending colon, splenic artery, gastric artery, inferior mesenteric vein, diaphragm, gastroesophageal junction, hepatic veins into IVC, inferior vena cava, intrahepatic segment of IVC, splenic vein, inferior mesenteric vein, superior mesenteric artery, external iliac artery, external iliac veins, retroperitoneal lymph nodes, aortic bifurcation, abdominal aorta, tail of pancreas, inferior mesenteric vein, right and left ureters, right and left renal vein, abdominal aorta, bifurcation of aorta, IVC, inferior vena cava, core of diaphragm, right renal vein, left renal vein, right and left common iliac arteries, celiac artery, superior mesenteric artery, right and left renal artery, splenic artery, splenic vein, right and left ureter, right and left kidney, right renal artery, left renal artery, pelvic lymph nodes area, splenic artery, splenic vein, right and left renal artery, right and left renal vein, common iliac vein, right and left, bladder, prostate, celiac ganglia, right and left, renal arteries, right and left, retroperitoneal lymph nodes area, splenic vein, right and left renal artery, descending thoracic aorta, spleen, iliacus muscle, right and left adrenal glands, psoas muscle, right and left, abdominal wall, right and left, renal pelvis, right and left, gluteus muscle, right and left, internal iliac artery, right and left, obligator muscle, right and left, renal cortex, pink color area, renal medulla, this is renal medulla, pelvic lymph nodes, right and left ureterovascular junction, anal canal, and this is rectum. If you want, you can hit the subscribe button to get new video updates. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.